Good morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. And I know a lot of you are looking at your screens and wondering what happened to the crypto market as it continues to bleed red, and crypto seems to be having some trouble with wind coming out of it. But if you've been in this game as long as I have, you know that the crypto will turn around. Just like in the stock market, when you invest, sometimes it's going to be up, sometimes it's going to be down. But what you have to remember is that the people who are unaware of how to build wealth are the people that are going to work every day, working day in and day out, 24. They're almost working 24 hours a day. They're working 16, 18-hour days when you look at what they have to do at home. And then they're working all day long on their jobs, and they're scraping their money together to try to get by month to month. And they work week in, week out, month in, month out, year in, year out. And they don't understand why is it that their nest egg never grows. And it's because no one ever shared with them the power of investing. And we are fortunate in this day and age to have the opportunity to participate in possibly the greatest experiment since the creation of monetary effects out there. Okay, when we went from trading seashells to gold and silver, and now from gold and silver to fiat currency, we are basically on the cusp of going from fiat currency to digital currency. And it could go mainstream. And with that, understanding that, we have an opportunity and, in my mind, a responsibility to let those that we care about and those that we love know what is going on. So today, I've got my daughter here, my oldest daughter. She's now in college. And I want everybody to understand that we're not investing just for fun. Okay, we're in it for the money, y'all. We're in it so that we can build wealth. Now, how long have I been telling you about? Say hi to my folks out there.
Oh, hi everybody.
How long have I been talking to you about crypto and investing?
It's been a while. You've been talking to.
How old were you, do you think, when I first started talking to you about crypto?
I'm not sure. Maybe around 15 or 16.
Y'all hear that, folks? She was 15 or 16. How long have I been preaching about entrepreneurial things and since you were a kid? How old do you think you were when you first noticed that I was trying to do something a little different than the rest of everybody?
Not that old, probably 7 or 8.
She was 7 or 8. But the first time you heard about investing, you were how old again? About 15?
For cryptocurrency.
For cryptocurrency. See, folks, this is what I'm trying to get you to understand. If we don't teach them, if we don't tell them, they're not going to know. They're going to grow up and they're going to go out there in the world and they're going to be just like us. They're gonna work as hard as they can. They're gonna believe in the machine, and the machine is not gonna believe in them. They'll survive. They'll do well. They will thrive, but they will not be able to get to where they could have gone had they not had the foundation. I'm so happy that my children know about crypto. They know about it now. And do you have any intention of buying you some crypto? Are you still debating?
I'm probably going to invest in crypto.
Do you know which ones you're interested in?
I'm not really sure, but yeah, I still need to look into it to see which ones are the best to invest in.
Okay. And do you have any goals or objectives that you're trying to set as far as your financial freedom? Do you have a mark on the wall? Do you have a goal that you want to attain? Do you know how much money you want to have in the bank?
I'm not sure the exact number that I'll need, but I know that I want to graduate from undergrad and grad school without debt.
Isn't that beautiful? She already has a goal. She knows she wants to graduate without debt. And she already knows there is something called financial freedom. And she already knows that crypto might be able to provide her with financial freedom. Folks, I'm doing my job. I'm doing my job. And I'm not ashamed to tell you I'm proud of what I have transferred as far as knowledge to my kids. The question is, what are you going to do for your kids? What are you going to do for your friends? Are you going to transfer the knowledge? Okay? And I just want my daughter to know, look at Bitcoin right now. You see it's $46,000? Mm-hmm. Your grandfather and myself bought his first Bitcoins when they were $4,500. Okay? Now you look at that. It's up tenfold from where it was when your grandfather was still alive. And I want you to know now, because of Bitcoin and Ethereum, your grandmother doesn't have to worry about anything. Okay? She is set. She's never going to need anything. She's never going to hurt for anything. Because we had enough knowledge and enough courage to go ahead and put everything in place. Your retirement is not going to be enough. Okay, all this stuff about 401ks and retirement plans, that's good. But it's not enough. I'm showing you how to get the rest of it. Okay? Folks, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please drop a like. Please subscribe. If you love this video, go ahead, throw up the likes now. Throw up the shares. And I'll catch you on the next one.